welcome to this unboxing of the Osume Dusk keycap set. We have the novelty kit and we have the standard kit, and lastly we have a first edition card which I'll show up in the camera over here. And on the back side we have a cute cat. Alright, so let's open this and then we can test it on the EK68 that I have over here. Inspired by an ephemeral pink and purple horizon, dusk captures the serene moment just before the night falls. That's the... oh, okay, the same. Okay. So yeah, let's open these. We have some more like branding on this side. Same for this. There doesn't seem to be anything else on it. It's also super hot in the room, so I turned off the AC just so I could record this video. Otherwise you would have heard the AC in the microphone. Okay, so I guess you can just, yeah, okay, you can slide this out. And you have the little Osume smiley. I don't know what the official name is. And then, okay, it just looks like you should be able to just lift this up. So let's see. Here we go. Thoughtfully designed. Alright. We have some stickers over here. The Osume smiley stickers. And then I guess a little card designed by Osume, and I guess a, yeah, what is this? I guess to prove that it's genuine or something? I don't know. And then over here we have the novelty keycaps. Okay, well, let's see what we have in the standard kit. Okay, this one is a little bit more difficult to open. Maybe I'll just grab my scissor. Oh yeah, we can push it out the same way as the other box. Maybe I should have opened this first. Okay, we have the same text, and then we have some of these colors, the colors that they're using for the set. Here we have the stickers, again, the smiley and the card. Here we have all the F keys, numbers 1 till 0, with the print screen, pause, home, end, etc., and a backspace key, and many variations of the escape key that you can use on different rows. Here are some of the letters, an ISO enter, spacebar. This seems like a 7U spacebar, yeah. Some other different keys. Here we have the more letters, page down, page up, enter, caps and control. What do we have here? More letters. I see like numpad. Oh yeah, numpad numbers are also included with all of these. Arrow keys. An extra B, I guess, and yeah, here we have the modifiers and the numlog 0, and here we have the Apple modifiers and a set of when you have also code buttons that you could use. Here the numlog enters, keycap puller, and different sizes space bars again. I have to say, when I saw the numbers first, the font looked quite thicker than I expected. Let me grab the numbers again. Let's see. Oh no, okay, it's not actually that different. It matches quite well. So what we're gonna do first is remove the keycaps from this EK68, and then we're gonna put these on, and then we're gonna do a little typing test on the iPad, and so you can see it on this keyboard and listen to how it sounds. So with the help of some movie magic, I got the set complete. I also found out I need to clean this keyboard, so I'm gonna do that immediately after recording this video. What I also noticed is that What I also noticed is that Monkey Type is going for server maintenance in like 6 minutes, so we should probably do this pretty quickly. I forgot to mention that these are PBT sets, which is part of the reason why they're probably so cheap compared to GMK's ABS plastics. But okay, overall it looks pretty clean. It doesn't really match the aesthetic of this board because this board is more towards a darker blue purple than the purples that you see over here. But regardless, I think it still looks quite nice. As for the novelties, I can only really use these two because these are all R1 novelties and I don't really have a longer shift, so I couldn't really use this, but I could use the spacebar and the escape at least, so that's pretty nice. Okay, with the AC off, we can finally do the typing test. Alright, that's how it sounds. Doesn't really sound much different compared to these ones that I had earlier, the PBT 015. Those are also PBT. I'm probably gonna daily drive this now, this keycap set, at least after I've cleaned the board. But yeah, let me know what you think. Do you like this set? Are you gonna buy it? You can probably buy it soon over on Osume's website. Link is in the description down below. These were $80, shipping not included. So these were pretty cheap. The novelties included, by the way, so not just the standard set, but the whole package was $80, which I think is pretty cheap for a mechanical keycap set because usually they go for much more expensive than these, at least. I think they look pretty high quality. The fonts don't look as thin as they show in the images, which I think is actually okay. Like, I think this looks much better in real life. So yeah, that is the Osume Dusk keycap set. Feel free to like and subscribe and stay tuned for any future unboxings and videos that I might make. Thank you for watching.